Greetings of the day, friends. We are at Vastu Silp Apartments near TGB Circle, LP Savani Road, Alajan, Surat, Gujarat, India. The society has installed 4 rainwater harvesting filters to collect around 6,75,000 liters of rainwater each year. You can see these are the filters. This is the filter 1. The work is in progress. You can see the drain pipe. This is the drain pipe coming all the way from the top of the terrace. We have installed a valve here to manage the flow. This blue colored pipe alike thing is our rainwater harvesting filter developed by Devram International in association with Sri Someshwar Education Trust. Here you can see the another filter and the same arrangements on each drain pipe. Here all the pipe coming out from the filter is diverted through underground digging. The whole pipe is underneath this passway near this chamber. Now you can see the junction here. The society has decided to collect rainwater for their own usage also. Here you can see they have put up the valve. If they with these valves they can take the water in the storage tank built here, and if they close the valve, the water will be diverted to the borewell ahead. The Someshwar Education Trust has provided this society with the subsidy of rupees 8,000, the encouragement fund for this work, including filters. You can see here the work is in progress. And friends, this is the 4th filter installed here. The society has terrace area of around 5,000 square feet. So they required minimum 4 filters and they installed all the 4. They spent around rupees 100,000 Indian rupees for this project, in which Sri Someshwar Education Trust has provided them 8,000 rupees subsidy. You can see this is the borewell of the society where the excess rainwater will be supplied. You can see the bricks opener here. From these bricks a pipe will come and get joined to the borewell. So this is how the Vastu Silp Society A building has done the rainwater harvesting and groundwater recharge system both together. And this is the work of each responsible citizen, and everyone around us should get inspired. Thank you. And if your society or company or any government unit, any private unit wants to do the same work, please feel free to contact Devram International or Sri Someshwar Education Trust on 9374073240. I repeat, 9374073240.